Hello YouTube, this is a quick unboxing of the InnoGear microphone stand. First, let's get it open. Okay, that's all in the box. Let me go grab the thing I fell. Okay, so you have the instructions. You have the arm itself in a bag and held by rubber bands. Okay, let's get this off of there. Okay, there is the arm. Comes with a small mic stand and a threaded part. Here's the base that mounts it to the desk. It's a simple screw. And the top just sort of drops in. There's no sort of retainer on the screw, but that wouldn't be expected. Yeah, this adapter is good for things. The reason the adapter is useful is I actually attach my Yeti microphone to it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Link in the description below.